Hi guys, today I will show you RTC using ESP32. What is this about is it is show real time or present current time. Okay, now I will show you how I connected. In left side, this is the diagram. Now ESP32 the RTC, where red and black line is for power supply and ground. Okay, that is power supply is 5 voltage and red one is 5 volt and black one is ground. Okay, where pin number 22 is SCL, where pin number 21 is SDA. Okay, white color. See here, pin number 22 and pin number 21 I connected, and ground I connected black one. Okay, here 5 volts I connected white one. Okay, in RTC ground black one, voltage is white one. Here SDA white and SCL is violet color. Okay, so here I connected similarly only. See these colors. This is SDA, this is SCL, this is ground, this one is voltage. Okay, now I connect to the common laptop. I will explain code. In meantime, I will update this program. Okay. Yeah, it is a library. You need to install this one from tools, manage libraries. Type RTC LIB. Search for that. Yeah, I installed by Redafnit version 214. Okay, showing installed. You need to install to use RTC. Okay, after installation, close this one. It's still compiling. Okay, this is library which we are just installed. RTC DS1307 RTC. It is a default to store to RTC module to the RTC data. Okay, I am writing days of the week, that is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday to Saturday, using two-dimensional array where 7 and 12. Actually maximum 10 is enough, but I have written 12. Okay, in void setup the baud rate for serial begin is 115200. Okay, if we connected RTC, if it is started or not, if it is begin RTC, it shows 1. If it is begin means 1, in before not means 0, so it will be printed. If it is not connected, that means it is 0. That means not connected means it's false, right? False means 0. Not of 0 means 1. If of true, so it is prints this one. Like serial printing, couldn't find RTC, serial flush, and in while loop it is waiting for checking. Okay, again, and if it is RTC is running or not, that means my device is continuously printing data or not. Okay, if it is printing, okay. If it is not printing, it will enter the if loop. Okay, serial printing, RTC is not running. Let's set the time. That means initially we need to set for time in starting, right? These are comments, you just need to read. Okay, here RTC adjust date time F, date and F. Okay, this is default line to know the current time in my PC ESP32. Okay, If we want some adjustment like previous date or previous year, previous month, or some random time, okay, what we need to write is this line. Okay, the format is year, month, date, time, minute, second. Okay, we need to write format this in this format. Okay, this is default format from library to read date and time of current from PC. Okay, where we can remove f, we can just write date and time, but what is the purpose of f means it stores data in flash instead of ram. Why? In ESP32 we have a small ram to store data. Do not wasting ram, we are storing in flash. Okay, this is explanation of that. Okay, now now we are in loop date time now RTC now to get the current time from RTC. That means the time and date to RTC to read that current. If we are adjusted a different time like this one 2014 one, it will be adjusted, but we set current time now, so it is reads that one. Okay, uh, I am converting every data to string. So okay, that's why I am written string. Okay, here string for variables I've written like year string, month string, day string, hour string, minute string, second, and day of the week. Okay, now reading string now year, it reads present year. Why decimal? It prints data in decimal format. We have data can be printed in binary format, hexadecimal format. Okay, so we explicitly mentioning decimal. Decimals means what we read in day-to-day life. That is decimal. Okay, in now month, if it is less than 10, that means we have 1 to 9 months, right? Before that, if it is less than 10, so print 0. If not, and there is nothing to print. Okay, that means it is like if it is ninth month, it is printing 09, 08, 07, like that. For that purpose, this is a ternary operator. Okay, a condition and a ternary operator, and plus string now month and decimal format. Okay, it is getting month of that time. Okay, it is condition, it is printing, and it is storing month string. Okay, now day, if it is less than 10, same ternary operator, and it is printing current day and in decimal format. Present time, similar to above only. If it is less than 10, it is printing that one. It is now storing this area. Similarly for minutes and seconds. For day of the week, now day of the week means it prints data from 0 to 6. Okay, if it is 0, it is Sunday. If it is 1, it is Monday. How do we know that? Means we return in starting days of the week, Sunday, Monday. Actually it prints 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. So in array of 0 it is Sunday. If in array of 1 it is Monday, right? Like that. And every string is formatted to store in single string, that is string formatted time. Here what happens, like day of the week, already it is a string, it prints here, and it gives a small comma and some space, and it's print year string, and it gives minus symbol, and for a space to differentiate the time, and a month string, and again minus, day string, and again space, hour string, semicolon, minute string, and semicolon, second string. Okay, every formatted string is stored in formatted time. Okay, now it is printing that formatted time, and it is for just giving a space, extra space for entering new line. I am giving every day printing time 1 second delay. Okay, now I am updating. Open tools, get serial monitor, set in serial baud rate in 115200 baud rate. Okay, yeah, now it's done. See, present time is Wednesday, 20 year, month, date and time. It's responding. Okay, if we are giving delay 3 seconds, we get 3 seconds gap time. If we are giving 5 seconds, we get time every 5 seconds. Okay, based on your delay, we can get how many seconds gap we need to know the time and time of that present. Okay, even if we remove serial monitor uh, present in RTC with battery, it will store the time. Okay, thank you for watching.